Are you looking for ways to make your life easier and more efficient? Look no further than ChatGPT, the AI language model that can help you with a variety of tasks. In this video, we'll share with you 10 ChatGPT life hacks that will change the way you approach your daily life. From creating custom games to generating content, ChatGPT can do it all. Get ready to learn some innovative and time-saving tips that will revolutionize the way you use AI technology. So, let's dive in. Ask it to summarize. One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT is its ability to summarize lengthy articles into just a few sentences. All you need to do is copy the web link of the article you're interested in and paste it into ChatGPT, requesting a summary. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with an incredibly accurate and concise summary of what would have otherwise taken you much longer to read. But it doesn't stop there. You can even ask ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos. Just copy the video link and the title, paste them into ChatGPT, and let it work its magic. What's truly mind-blowing about ChatGPT is its ability to summarize hundreds of pages of text in just a matter of seconds. Instead of spending hours reading through lengthy documents, simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT, type out TLDR, too long, didn't read, and ask for a summary in 2 sentences. ChatGPT will quickly provide you with the most important information, saving you time and energy. And if you're on your phone, you can still use ChatGPT to explain news or historical events in a quick and easy-to-understand way. Ask it to teach. From playing the guitar to mastering a new language, even to tackling software like Photoshop, ChatGPT can teach it all. With just a simple request, it will break down and explain every detail you need to know, even when it comes to solving complex math problems. Imagine being able to ask ChatGPT to grade your homework or project, and then receiving instant feedback on why it gave that score. What's even more amazing is that all of these services are free. So, whether you're a student struggling with homework or a professional looking to learn something new, ChatGPT has got your back. Not only is it an incredibly convenient tool, but it's also incredibly fast and efficient. With ChatGPT, you can save hours of time spent trying to learn something new or completing tedious assignments. Get healthy. ChatGPT may not be a licensed healthcare provider, but it can certainly help you improve your overall health and wellness. The possibilities of what ChatGPT can do for your fitness and nutrition journey are truly amazing. Imagine you want to get into shape, build muscle, and lose weight. ChatGPT can provide you with a detailed exercise plan tailored to your needs and goals. And if you need something even more specific, ChatGPT can give you personalized advice to help you get the results you desire. But why stop there? ChatGPT can also help you create a weekly meal plan based on your dietary restrictions and calorie needs. And it gets even better. ChatGPT can generate a comprehensive shopping list for you, categorized by ingredient, making grocery shopping a breeze. Right like you. Beyond providing exercise and meal plans, ChatGPT can even analyze and learn from your writing style. All you have to do is copy and paste a message or email you've written into ChatGPT, and it will analyze the writing and learn to mimic your writing style, including your language and even your sense of humor. It's almost like creating a digital clone of yourself, and it can be incredibly helpful when you need to delegate writing tasks or respond to messages quickly. The possibilities don't stop there either. You can even paste any text into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it in the style of a specific person, like Snoop Dogg or Oprah Winfrey. It's truly amazing to see how well ChatGPT can mimic different writing styles and personas, and it can be an incredibly useful tool for generating responses or advice that are tailored to a specific person or audience. With ChatGPT, the options are truly endless. Ask for advice. If you're someone who seeks advice on a regular basis, then you'll be thrilled to know that ChatGPT is here to help. Imagine having a conversation with an AI language model that gives you balanced and reasonable advice as if you were talking to a professional. If you're having trouble responding to a nasty message from your boss or coworker, just paste it into ChatGPT and ask for help. What's even better is that ChatGPT can write the response for you. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone who struggles with crafting the perfect response. All you have to do is paste in the message and ask for help, and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. It's almost like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. So next time you need some advice, don't hesitate to turn to ChatGPT for help. Scan images. One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT is its ability to scan images and describe them in detail. So if you have a complex diagram or an intricate chart that you're struggling to understand, simply paste the image link into ChatGPT and let it do the rest. It may take a few attempts to get it right, but with a little bit of information, ChatGPT can provide an accurate description of any image. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to help you plan a holiday. Simply provide some basic information about your destination and the dates of your trip, and ChatGPT will create a day-to-day itinerary for you. It can even help you book flights. Games. If you ask ChatGPT what games you can play with it, it will give you a plethora of options to choose from. One of the most interesting and engaging games that ChatGPT can offer is trivia. It is effortless to play, and you can choose from different trivia categories like tech, movies, or even cheese. But ChatGPT can take things up a notch by allowing you to ask it to code a game for you that you can then play in your browser. This feature may take a few steps to get right, but you can rely on ChatGPT to guide you through the process. As if that's not enough, ChatGPT also offers text adventure games like Dungeons and Dragons. If you're not familiar with Dungeons and Dragons, it's a tabletop role-playing game that involves creating characters and embarking on adventures in a fantasy world. With ChatGPT, you can enjoy similar gameplay without the need for a group of friends or a physical game board. ChatGPT can create a completely original story for you from scratch, immersing you in a fantasy world where you can make decisions and shape the course of the game. Better responses. If you want to get better responses from ChatGPT, one of the best things to do is to interact with it like you would with a real person. If you ask a simple question like "What's 1 + 1?", you'll get a simple answer. Additionally, always correct ChatGPT when you think it's made a mistake. For example, if you ask it who Hale's world is and it gets it totally wrong, correct it. The more you correct it, the more it can learn from its mistakes and improve its responses. Another way to improve your interaction with ChatGPT is to assign it different personas. Each personality you assign to ChatGPT can give you a different response. It's fascinating to note that some personas even give better responses than others, although it's unclear why this is the case. By assigning personas, you can create a more personalized interaction with ChatGPT and get responses that are tailored to your needs. Original content. ChatGPT is not just limited to answering your questions or providing trivia games. It can actually create completely original content for you, ranging from writing songs about aliens that make bad jokes to writing your best math speech that you've only known for a week. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to content creation with ChatGPT. You can even take a job description with all its information and ask ChatGPT to write a one-page cover letter for you. When it comes to content creation, the sky is truly the limit, and the best part is that AI is only going to get better from here on. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try out? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning into Unrestricted Intelligence. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time.